see. Okay, good. Hopefully it's trout. Good.
Yeah, it's cutthroat.
Okay, a little bit more. There you go. Nice. That was a nice fat one too.
It's hard to tell you're biting.
Yeah.
You know. What's the wind going on?
Oh, that's a nice fish.
Yeah, that's a good fish.
Yeah, that'll play. That'll play.
How long were you on there?
He wasn't on there that.
I've been watching it for about 2 minutes.
Yeah, he wasn't on there that long.
No, it's actually been doing that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I was like, what the heck?
Oh, well, that's a good hook though. Good hook job. All right, you want to show your fish? Very nice. Ooh, airborne. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah, get him, get him, get him.
Oh yeah. Okay. Gosh, and hopefully I recorded it. Oh, I might have shut it off. Okay. Nice cutthroat. Wow. Bring him in.
This is a good fish.
Yeah, bring him in. Just let my line out too, dang it. It's on the top, so hopefully it'll stay out. Yeah, I think it'll be okay.
Let's just keep going here.
Yeah, we'll steer the boat kind of this way.
Oh, this feels nice.
Yeah, we'll stay in this area. Here he comes. Yep. Oh, right to the back of the boat. How sweet.
That's a nice fish.
Yeah, we'll get him.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Nice job,
As big as the
man.
other one, but that's a good one.
No, that's a good one. Nice fish.
It's a good trout anywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. Show him the camera there. Yeah, and then nice fish. Yep. Okay.
Fast speed.
Yep. That might be our ticket. Alright. How deep?
50.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a cutthroat.
Nice.
Oh yeah. Started going towards the middle.
Alright.
Man, we need a TR1 on this thing.
Yeah, I know. No kidding. Ooh, looks like a nice fish there.
Yeah, it's a good fish. Oh, this feels nice.
Good, good, good. Keep at it.
Oh, look at the size of that thing.
I can't see it yet, but bring him in.
That's
Oh,
a good
yeah, that's
fish.
a nice fish.
Ready?
Yep, bring him in.
Fight. Oh, he just popped out.
Shoot.
You see the size of that
Yeah, that was probably about 16 inch.
Yeah, 16, 17 inch cutthroat.
Oh, shoot.
That was a good fish.
He's on.
Nice. Oh, nice one.
Yeah. I keep them in the water here.
Love the action with the rods, man.
Oh, yeah. They work you. These rods work.
Oh, yeah.
Good job, Zaya.
Alright.
I can't even reel right now. There we go. Here he comes. Nice job, Zaya. Nice job. Oh. Yeah.
Nice fish.
Thank you. Yeah, that is a nice one. Fat one.
And they're liking that color, aren't they?
Yeah. It's all bonking. He's out.
Oh, man, he wanted that one.
Yeah. I'm watching the rod.
Might switch over to 50-50.
Yeah. Thanks, yeah. All right. Yeah. Is the thing on? Can you tell? Or
Yeah, it's on.
Okay. Yeah, there you go. 50-50 moon jelly pink. All right, thanks. 50-50 blue.
No, 50 feet.
Yeah.
Nice, on the blue. Man, he popped that thing.
Mm-hmm.
Bounce, 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 pop.
That's right. That's the saying to remember.
Yep, that's exactly what it did.
So you reel up the downrigger?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Just because you were doing such a good job of that before.
You gotta get fishing fast as possible.
Well, it gets it out of the way.
Yeah, and it gets it out of the way, yeah. Feels like a nice fish.
Mm-hmm.
20-incher.
I don't know about that, but it's coming in steady.
Look at that bend in the rod.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
There you go.
Alright, now he's fighting now. There he goes.
Oh, I got a fish on. Holy cow. I'm just getting slammed.
Oh. Go ahead and get him.
Go and get him?
Yeah. Just
oh,
leave,
yeah, fish on.
just leave the net there.
Yeah, I can fight. I can fight. I got him.
Okay. You're a one-man wrecking crew.
I can do it. Ready?
Yep. Oh yeah, no, that's a hog, man.
Hog.
All right, get yours.
Double.
Yep.
An official double.
Yeah. Come on.
On the 50-50 blue and then the fly.
Yeah. We hit a pod.
Yeah.
I gotta get him out of here.
Take your time. He's back there. So.
Okay.
I can always just hoist him in.
Well, I'll do that. Especially if he's decent size.
It's a good sized fish.
Come on, I almost got him out. Alright.
Nice.
Look at that.
Here we go.
Yeah. To the net. Nice. Nice job. Nice job.
Sweet. An official double.
Nice. Nicely done. Holy cow.
Two nice cutthroat.
Yep.
Oh, we know where the pod is now.
Mm-hmm. Let's move.
On the blue. Nice.
Oh yeah.
Beauty.
Yeah.
On the ice.
Oh yeah, I just got hit.
Oh, fish on, fish on.
Is he on now? I got hit, but
Oh yeah, he's
yeah,
on there.
he's
on.
He's on. Wasn't the biggest fish, but boy, had some fight to it.
Yeah.
All right, we're one away, my man.
Yeah.
Wow.
How's it feel with the velocity rods? I mean,
Yeah, it's a battle.
yeah.
It's fun. I mean, it's Yeah.
Until you get a 20-inch trim.
Yeah. That would be a battle.
Oh, you got a fish on?
Yeah, I see that. You might have to man the ship.